how to fix Messenger messages disappearing automatically on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop messages from vanishing on their own in Messenger. First, open Messenger on your Android device. Tap on the conversation where messages are disappearing. From there, tap on the contact name or profile at the top of the chat to open the chat settings. At this point, look for the disappearing messages option and check if it is turned on. From there, if it is enabled, tap on it and toggle it off to disable it. After that, go back to the chat and check if messages are now staying visible now. Keep in mind, if the other person in the conversation has vanish mode or disappearing messages enabled on their end, the messages will still disappear regardless of your settings, as it is controlled by both sides of the conversation. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Messenger messages disappearing automatically, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.